Welcome to the Consumer Behavior module of this bio-based technology course. Many products created with bio-based materials will find their way to the market. This market introduction can only be sustainable if consumers actually buy and adequately use the products. If people don't like a product, all our effort is wasted. Many ideas that seemed great in the mind of developers resulted in rejection by consumers and the public at large. Public rejection seems emotional and often random, but consider food irradiation, brought to the market as a way to make food safe. Promoted shortly after irradiated harvests needed to be destroyed in the Chernobyl fallout. And consider genetic modification, that aimed to bypass consumer choice by mixing raw material streams, leaving consumers with the feeling that their freedom of choice would be violated. We need to understand consumers to make sure we create the products consumers can like. In this module, we will introduce you to the basics of consumer science that will help us to think about bio-based products that consumers actually want to buy and know how to use. At the end of this module, you should have a basic idea what questions to ask and how to implement a consumer view in developing your products. The module contains online reading materials, scientific papers, knowledge clips and assignments. For students who have not looked at consumer science before, the module starts with a section that will give you some basic ideas about methods and applications of consumer science for innovative products and technologies. We will then follow on with a section that introduces how consumers evaluate products made with bio-based materials. For example, how they trade off pros and cons and the differences between consumers in doing so. In the next section, we will introduce students to communications campaigns to the public about bio-based products. We will also discuss the limits of communication. Some insights into how the different ways of framing bio-based products may influence consumer understanding of these problems will be given. The module is concluded with an integration assignment where students create solutions to a case involving consumer adoption of bio-based products.